Did you drop it yet?
Drop this? No.
Okay. No. Plastic hammer. If you deburr that edge, you'll screw up the shaft. We got the help in today. Hey, buddy.
Supervisor.
Stupid visor?
Buddy, what are you doing? Get over here.
You didn't drop that on that bench.
No.
Oh, he's throwing the shit around again.
All over the place because I'm angry.
I get lots of comments about that.
Dented the bench.
Yeah, look at it. Look at all the scrapes you put in that bench.
Poor, beautiful Brent.
Now, did you put the shaft in the correct one?
Yep.
What if you do it the other side? What happens? Ooh, that's a good fit there. That's,
Go, no go.
That's how you had it before.
Yeah, it is. So
Okay.
got it in right this time.
Yeah, you get the worn side nut down. That's good. Did you get the little mark on the shaft up? Right there. Go straight up. Dead nut center. As close as you can get to it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gotta tighten the nut up until you can get it all the way to the middle. Don't keep going. You gotta stop and look at it. The flat spot has to be in the middle. Don't go past.
Yeah. There we go.
Flat spot. Almost. A little bit more.
Almost.
It's dark over here. Yeah, get some light now. Ooh.
How's that for the middle?
Damn, look at that. That's like almost right there. It looks like you were just maybe 5 thou too much.
Back a little?
Yeah, that's close enough. Where's your weight at?
Wait. It's back here.
Oh, back to the bench.
Huh?
I call press.
We put in, what, 1 ton?
No, I pressed it in. You screwed it up. I don't want you screwing up my weight.
I'm not going to screw up your weight.
I'm going to have to make a new one.
You're not going to have to make a new one.
I'm going to have to make it correctly this time instead of the screwed up way we've been having it for 30-something years now. I remade this back in the 80s.
Yeah, 1 ton. I can do that.
It might have been 1.5. That's why I had to press it. See, you still got the gap in there. That's the key part.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see what we got now. Spots. So Mr. Dumb Shit just dropped it on top of my damn weights and my wheels, and you put big flat spots in my wheels and in my shaft, and you wonder why the damn thing don't spin evenly. You can't slam shit down like that.
Only on the bench.
The bench doesn't matter, but the tools do. Why is it going back and forth? What did you do wrong? If you put a little brake on it like that, you can get it a little quicker instead of waiting an hour. You're going to wiggle it like this too a little bit. That's because somebody slammed the weights down on top of the thing and got flat spots in it. That's the way you do that. I think you're close. Okay, so it's off to one side a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Which is what?
Which means that we... Wait, which...
What holes you got to work with on this side? Ooh, there's no holes on this side, I see.
So probably...
Okay, how far out is it? 90 degrees. How heavy is it? There we go. About the same as last time.
Yeah.
So how much weight did you take out last time? Nothing, because I did it.
Exactly.
So you did the same thing I did, except not as deep.
All right.
So maybe we'll do 2 holes instead of 4 holes on the top.
So... 1, 2.
Those are our centering holes, the ones that take the weight out of the other 2. There you go. These holes here for bringing it inside to side,
Mm-hmm.
and then you take it off of here to bring massive weight out. That's how
Okay.
you do it. So these you have to play around to get it to center. Right now you're not centered, you're off to one side. I'm not sure which one I don't remember. So at some point I'm going to have to make one hole deeper than the other to get the thing back to center.
Mm-hmm.
And then you take off equal amounts until it comes in.
Oh, okay. Gotcha now.
That's how you're supposed to do it. Now you might not do it that way. That's how I do it. You pick the number you want to go to. 2 1/4.
2 1/4.
Quarter. I got 2 holes. Almost the same depth. And I'm only going to put 1 hole over here so it's like we did last time. And I'm still going to leave room for another one just in case I need it. And I'm going to pick a number to do it to. more do you need?
Not much.
Go down to a 32nd. Actually, I think those are 16.
Then we blow it off and deburr it.
No, we're going to deburr it, then blow it off.
Deburr it, blow off.
Fuck that, really.
Yeah.
You screw it up, you put too much. Okay, make sure there's no chips buried up in there. This time we'll do it over this side of the wheel so you can see it. Look how heavy that is. I didn't take out nearly enough material. I'm being more conservative this time. Okay, see how it's way off to one side there? So this side is heavy. So we got to take a little extra off of this side. And we got to take massive amounts off the other side because they're way off. See, see how far off that is? Alright. So which side was heavy again? No.
Wasn't it?
I don't think so.
No, yeah, no, it was the top part because.
It was this one.
Yeah, it's that side.
You're trying to confuse me again.
Yeah, yeah. More work, you know?
Good thing I wasn't listening to you. Rough center in it. We have to cut it. We didn't cut too much yet. So let me see how it's centered now, kind of.
Yeah.
Still a little bit off. Still need a little bit more out of this side.
Yep.
This pocket. And we need more off the top. Getting closer. Still need more. Put the brakes on a little bit. Too much. Still need some more. Center it. I'm getting close though. And that way.
So we just need a little bit more to center.
Go off a little bit, we're close. I think I took too much off the center.
Just a little bit.
Off center, off the side, excuse me. Now it's heavy on the other side. Shift it over. It doesn't take much to shift it when you get close. So the overall weight's really, really close, but we're off center a little bit. So that means you gotta cut that whole area just slightly. Doesn't want to shift back. Definitely off there. The weight needs to come off about right in here. That's where the weight's at. So I can keep drilling there to kick it over, and then I can take it off equally. Or I can start taking some weight out of here, which will bring it back into both together. I'm going to take some more of that hole. Pretty good chunk, so see if we went too far. But we didn't go too far because it's still dropping. Looks like it's centered up. See how it centered it up? Just about dead nuts on center.
Yeah.
And now we just got to see how far out it is. We're out that far. So now we got to take it equal on both sides. Now you can take it equal out of these or equal out of these. It has to be equal. Now the closer the center line you drill, the less it matters.
Yeah.
The closer this, the more it matters. You want to take like equal amounts, see?
Yeah.
Really close.
Super close.
Seems to be slightly more on that side than this side. So I'm going to move the top holes because it's less sensitive and give it just a little bit more of this one. My guess is there's probably a half a chip more of that when we took out. Chip. You get all those out of there. It won't affect it. For the last 20 minutes.
No, I didn't.
And if you missed anything, too bad. Pretty even. Slightly heavy on this side, but very, very slight. Like a half a chip. Close enough. I could try to make it perfect and it'll probably flip. It'll be heavy over here. Alright, so that's how you do that. It's the same thing, it should be able to keep spinning at low RPM. So you can probably keep it spinning at that RPM, it'll keep going.
There you go.
It's close.